Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about something very important in today's world, which is the global citizenship. Have you ever wondered what it means to be part of something bigger than your country, your culture, or even your own community? We live in a world where people, countries, and cultures are more connected than ever before. So what does it mean to be a global citizen? It means that you see yourself not only as a member of your own community but also as a part of a whole world. What does it mean? It means you care about global issues like poverty, climate change, and human rights. Another is you respect people from different cultures and background, and you take responsible actions to make the world better place, not just for yourself but also for everyone. Being a global citizen is not about having a passport from many countries. It's about having a heart and mind that think beyond borders. Let me share you some example that shows global citizen. Example number 1 is joining a coastal in your community. Even if the trash in your local, helping clean it shows that you care for the environment, and the environment affects everyone around the world. Why it is global citizenship? Pollution in one place can harm ocean and marine life everywhere. When you protect nature, you're helping the planet, so that's global action. Another example is donating to or supporting victims of international disasters. Imagine there is an earthquake in another country and you help by donating or spreading awareness. So why it's global citizenship? Even if it happened in your community, you are showing compassion and solidarity for people across the world. And you understand that humanity is one big family. Sample 3 is speaking out against racism or discrimination. Let's say you are hear something making unfair comments about another person, race, or religion, and you kindly explain why that is wrong. Why it's global citizenship? You are standing up for equality and human rights, which are values that matter globally. You are helping create a more inclusive world. Another example is studying and respecting other cultures. Maybe you learn about something indigenous cultures, or enjoy music and traditions from other countries and you respect them, not mock them. Why it's global citizenship? This shows open-mindedness and respect, two key traits of global citizens. Understanding cultures help us reduce fear and build peace. Using reusable bags, bottles, or turning off light when not in use. You're just at home but your choices reduce waste and energy use. Why it's global citizenship? Environmental problems are global problems. When you choose eco-friendly habits, you help fight climate change, which affects us all. So, why it is matter? Being a global citizen is important because no one lives alone anymore. What happens in one country can affect the entire world. That's why we need to raise a new generation of people who are aware, caring, active, and responsible. Global citizenship helps lives in peace, protect nature, and treat everyone with fairness. Now you understand what global citizenship is. Ask yourself, how can I be a global citizen today? Maybe it's by learning, helping, respecting, or speaking up. No matter how small your action is, it make a difference. Let's be a citizen not just for our country but also for a whole world.